That moment. Every single time you get in the car, fumble for the cable, get tangled. It's 2025. Why are we still doing this? What if I told you, with one small box, you could cut the cord forever? But be warned, not all adapters are created equal. Some will ruin your drive with lag and dropouts. After testing over a dozen units, we found the 5 that actually work and one that will blow your mind. All purchase links are in the description below. Let's find your perfect wireless freedom. Starting at number 1. Ottocast Ottoadapter MX. Ottocast offers an impressive range of products for turning your car, truck, or RV into a multimedia suite. The MX isn't the company's most feature-laden product, that would be P3 CarPlay AI box, but it is one of the best wireless adapters on the market for both CarPlay and Android Auto. The MX is made to be easy to use, connecting to your phone automatically when you start your vehicle after initial setup. A built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi module provides a stable network, seamless integration, and zero latency issues, ensuring that you always have a strong Bluetooth connection. Ottocast offers a 1-year warranty and 24-hour technical support should any issues arise. Number 2. Carlinkit 5.0 Adapter. The 5th iteration of Carlinkit's Apple CarPlay wireless adapter, the 5.0 works fine with any iPhone, so long as it's an iPhone 6 or newer. It's also compatible with devices running Android 11 or better. It comes with 2 cables, one USB-C to C and another USB-C to A. Simply plug the USB-C end into the Carlinkit and the other end into your car's USB port, and the Carlinkit will open a user-friendly interface, allowing you to connect to your device via Bluetooth. Number 3. Car and Driver Intellidash Pro X10. Some CarPlay adapters bring the convenience of smart car technology to vehicles that never had that luxury. An upgrade over the smaller 7-inch Intellidash, the Intellidash Pro X10 is a 10-inch touchscreen display that wirelessly integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It offers easy navigation with large icons and supports Bluetooth, FM transmitter, AUX input, and AV in for multimedia. The system supports voice control, navigation, music streaming, smart assistant features, and hands-free calling. The Pro X10 is ideal for those with older vehicles or those without a modern screen capable of displaying your phone's apps. In my time with it, it blended in well with the rounded 90s-style dashboard in my Boxster and made accessing apps like Maps and Spotify particularly easy. Number 4. Teeran Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This little adapter from Teeran is a discreet no-frills solution for those seeking wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and has received thousands of 5-star reviews on Amazon. Setup is straightforward: plug and play into your car's USB port, eliminating the necessity for extra software, a companion app, or system updates. The device will store your preferences and will automatically connect whenever your car is turned on, with only a slight lag in performance time. Number 5. The Magic brand. The Magic Link. The Magic Link from the Magic brand is one of the most reputable products around for untethering your mobile device from your car or truck. It boasts a simple set of features not dissimilar from some of its competitors, including a front status LED, a USB-C port on top, a USB-A port on the bottom for wired CarPlay via a lighting cable, and it includes a 12-inch USB-A to USB-C cable. Where the Magic Link sets itself apart is in after-purchase support. The Magic Link was designed in San Diego, California, and has a support team that is available 24/7 for help with setup and troubleshooting. The Magic brand also provides lifetime technical support and replacements. And there you have it, the definitive list to unlock a wireless driving experience. No more cables, no more hassle. If this video helped you decide, do us a huge favor: smash that like button, share this with a friend who hates cables, and subscribe for more tech upgrades that actually work. Drive safe, and enjoy your new, clutter-free cockpit.